Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the 13th chapter, Symmetry. Did you hear this word, that symmetry? Symmetry means just like a similar. Okay, so there are different types of symmetry, there are different way we have to find out that. So according to that, today we are going to discuss in this chapter what is that. First of all, we have to discuss about that line of symmetry. First one, what is in mathematics? Line of symmetry. Symmetry means whenever comparing the two things, it will be equal, or four parts will be equal, or how many parts are we are comparing, that should be similar, that is called as a symmetry. Okay, so now what is that line of symmetry? In this your chapter, it is the first thing, that is what is that line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means when you will find out that if you draw that one line of a given figure, then it will make it into two halves. कौन सा एक चीज को, कौन सा एक फिगर को तुम दो फोल्ड करो, मिडिल को फोल्ड करो, समान फोल्ड करो तो नहीं, तो इफ यू ड्रॉ दैट वन लाइन इन द मिडिल and which one makes that two equal halves, that figure should become the two equal halves, then at that time only we can say this line is the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Okay, so what is the line of symmetry, friends? Now if a line is drawn to a figure, then it makes it into two halves, the figure should become the two equal halves, then that is called as that line is called as a line of symmetry of the given figure. Okay, so let us see what is that, how we should find out that what are the lines of symmetry by that given figures or by the diagrams. Okay, so now see what is the definition. First of all, see, if a figure is divided into two identical halves, two equal halves or two identical halves by a line drawn through it, एक लाइन हमें ड्रा करना है और फोल्ड करना है, तो जब जैसे भी तुम कर सकते, but if on line if you draw to a figure, then it will become two halves equal halves, then the figure said to have a line symmetry, and the line is called the axis of symmetry, or the simply we can say line of symmetry. That means this figure, suppose I will write it, friends, C. Okay, this is one figure. If I will draw one line like this, perpendicular line I will draw, is it two halves? No. But if I will draw like this, suppose C there, I will draw like this, so it will become two equal halves, then it will say it is called as a line of symmetry. By any way, by perpendicular or vertically or horizontally, that not a matter, but if you draw that line on that figure, then if it will become the two halves. See, I will say suppose A. Okay, one letter in English alphabet, if you say suppose A, then you will draw. By which way you draw? Like this you draw or like this you draw? Which way if you draw also, it is not possible, two equal parts. Okay, so that's why it is not a line of figure, or the line of, we cannot draw that a line of symmetry. So now see that, students, I have drawn that three pictures, you can identify that about the line of symmetry. So now it is a butterfly. The butterfly two sides you observe the similar. Yes, so if you draw that one line in the middle, this middle, if you draw that one line, then it makes that same equal the two halves. Okay, this line is same exactly. If you just folding and will keep here, it will be same. So this line is called as, this is called as a line of symmetry. Okay, this line is called as a line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. You can say that also axis of symmetry, but simply we are saying that is line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means a line which is drawn to a figure and it makes two equal halves, two identical halves. Now I draw that, now this is one line, now two equal halves, two halves, so it is called as a line of symmetry. If now one circle is there, see friends, I draw one here like this, I draw like this here, yes or no? Now the two parts, four parts now it formed, yes or no? So these two are the part. If I will draw one more line, then it won't be equal. So line of symmetry more is there. So just these are the line of symmetry, two or more line of symmetry. This is more than that one. Now M. See that here, friends. If I draw that one line here in the middle, then like this same portion like that it will be. So these are the two identical parts or two identical halves. So, okay, did you understand about that line of symmetry friends? So line of symmetry means any figure तुम जो मिला तुमको गिवन किया उसका ऊपर एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो, and if that line should whenever like that you have to draw how that figure should become two halves, then only that line is called as a axis of symmetry or line of symmetry. Did you understand? Okay. Now friends, notes for you. It is remembering parts for you. This is you have to remember, but it is very important for you. The line of symmetry divides the figure into two halves which are also mirror image of each other. Mirror image means क्या होता है बेटे? जब आप मिरर रखेंगे कौन सा लाइन का ऊपर वो दूसरा एक सेम लगेगा. Okay, carbon paper also you have seen that if you will draw that on something, then equal parts it will form that in the carbon paper, like Xerox like it. Same like in the mirror reflection also same as it. And mirror and the paper where you will be touched, that is called as a line of what symmetry. Okay, so the line of symmetry also divided into the two equal halves, which one is called as also mirror images. Okay, a figure may have no line of symmetry. Very important students, a figure have no line of symmetry means ऐसा भी फिगर भी है जो फिगर पे लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री हम ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते. सपोज सिर्फ मैं बोला था ए, सपोज आई विल से डी, स्मॉल डी और कैपिटल डी. कैन यू ड्रॉ दैट लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री? नो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज by any way, by any means if you draw that line, it won't be what two equal halves. Okay, so some figures there is no line of symmetry. Okay, they have, so that's why telling a figure may have no line of symmetry or it may have one or more line of symmetry. May some figures have no line of symmetry and some figures have one or more than one line of symmetry. Okay, one or more line of symmetry. Which one like that? Suppose on circle now I have drawn the two more line of symmetry are there. Okay. Now friends, exercise 13.1 we have to do, and on first video I have done that. Here friends, some pictures. Which of the following figures are the symmetrical? Okay, symmetrical means we have to identify if that lines of symmetry, line of symmetry if you draw, then the figure is symmetrical. Okay, now choose it. First figure, shall I rub it this friends? Okay, I will rub it and I will explain that 13.1 in this side. Now look at here friends. Now first figure, how like given that A is given like this, one triangle. Yes. So A, this triangle is not symmetry. Why it is not symmetry? Because if you draw any line, then it won't be equal two parts. So this is not a symmetry. Second, B, T. Now it is a line of symmetry. You have, if you draw like this, not possible. So if you draw like this a line, then it is a line of symmetry. Yes, this is a B is a line of symmetry. C, what is that? C is one triangle, right angle triangle given to you. Okay, like this given to you. If how like suppose if you draw perpendicular line, this not possible. If like this you will do also not. So perpendicular line you have to draw, otherwise horizontal line you will draw. So not possible. So it is not. Okay. So this is not line symmetry of figure. Now next side we can do. What is that? D. What is that figure? D is one flower like this is given friends. So check that whether D is possible or not. Yes. See friends, if you draw dotted line like this, then this part and this part similarity will observe. So D is okay. Okay. Now E. What is that? Just like one R. Now look at students, how we will draw. It is not possible. If you draw like this one line, it is not possible. If like this you draw, it is not possible. So it is not a symmetrical figure. Okay. A B C D E F. F is Z letter English alphabet Z. So how is it possible? If you fold it, if you draw like this, same not won't come. Like this also you draw, It is not possible. So hence friends, this is not a line of symmetry. So I hope you have understood, and your textbook is there. First exercise 13.1 you should try to do, and the remaining part of that, what is that, I will explain in the next video. So let us see, and if any doubt, and you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.